Come on, stop with the sappy stuff and tell me what I gotta do next. Well, thank you for supporting me. Hey? What? Ah! Trainer, no way! What are you doing here? First place, is that so? All right now, welcome on into the festival! Hop. It was fun watching or something. You don't gotta hide, he's gone. Dang, he's fast. You think he'd run my races for me? This Haruki, I wonder if he can take another step. Well, that's just how it goes. Even when I go all out, third's all I get.